Hi everyone, this is Dr. Revati. I am the new YouTube subscriber. Please subscribe my channel. You want all notifications in my channel. Please subscribe me and press bell icon to get all of my notifications. And let's move for video. Now we are talking about M1 mathematics in engineering. Now I will discuss a small demo class for mathematics 1, that is ordinary differential equations and their applications. First of all, in this ordinary differential equations and their applications, I will explain the definition of differentiation. What is the differentiation? Differentiation means the equation y equals to f of x. In this equation, the rate of change of y with respect to x is called the differentiation. And also dy by dx. Here dy by dx means the rate of change of y with respect to x. And the differentiation is denoted by the symbol of dy by dx. And now we will explain the definition of differential equations. What is the differential equation? An equation involving differentiable operators or differentiables, and also involving one or more independent variables. Then this type of equation is called a differential equation. Next of all, I will explain what is the types of differential equations. There are two types of differential equations. One is the ordinary differential equation. Next, second one is the partial differential equation. First of all, I will discuss ordinary differential equation. In the ordinary differential equation means an equation involving ordinary derivatives or ordinary differentiables, and also the equation involving only one dependent variable and only one independent variable. Then this type of equation is called ordinary differential equation. I will give one example of the ordinary differential equation, that is dy by dx whole cube plus dy by dx whole square plus 7 pi equals to cos x. This is one of the example. Here y is the rate of change of with respect to x, and here y only one dependent variable and one independent variable. This is the example of ordinary differential equation. Whereas partial differential equation, an equation involving partial derivatives or partial differentiables, and also the equation involved one dependent variable and one or more independent variables. Then this type of equation is called partial differential equation. Now I will give the example of partial differential equation, that is z equals to x square plus y square plus z square equals to 1. This is the circle equation. And in this z is only one dependent variable, and here x, y, z are one or more independent variables. How means then I will explain. Here y can be write in terms of the functions of x and z, and also similar way z is can be write in terms of functions of x and y. In similar way as it is x is can be write functions of y and z. So clearly here only one dependent variable and one or more independent variables. I think the circle equation is a suitable example for the partial differential equation. Next, I will explain the order of a differential equation. What is the order of a differential equation? In the given differential equation, the highest order derivative is called the order of a given differential equation. That is, I will give one example: x square plus 1 divided by dx plus 2xy equals to 4x square. This is one of the differential equation. Here highest order derivative is 1, so therefore order equals to 1. Next I will explain degree or power of a given differential equation. The given differential equation, the power or degree of a highest order derivative, then this equation is called degree or power. Suppose for example, x square 1 minus x square divided by dx whole square plus 2xy divided by dx plus 1 minus y square equals to 0. This is one of the differential equation. Here the highest order derivative is 1, therefore order equals to 1, and degree or power of a highest order derivative in this equation is 2, therefore degree or power equals to 2. Here next I will explain what is the first order and first degree differential equation. What is the first order and first degree differential equation? When we use first order and first degree differential equation, first of all I will explain the procedure of first order and first degree differential equation. Will be take to get the solutions of ordinary differential equations. So we have to use this procedure of first order and first degree differential equation. The general form of the first order and first degree differential equation means dy by dx equals to f of x comma y. This is first order or first degree differential equation, and this first order and first degree differential equation can be classified number of methods. First one is the variable separable method. Second one is the homogeneous method. Next, third one is the exact differential equation method. Next, fourth one is the linear differential equation method. Next, fifth one is the Bernoulli's differential equation method. Those methods are classified into first order and first degree differential equation, and first two methods are already studied in intermediate, and also previous syllabus in BTech mathematics also is there, but present syllabus in BTech mathematics, those two methods are avoided. Next we started from that syllabus in BTech mathematics, starting from exact differential equation method. Next class I will explain exact differential equation method. So thank you. Okay, I hope all are understanding my video. Now we are going to leave this video, and also send with your contacts. Till then, bye. See you.